Welcome back to our channel. This is part 3 of Pong game developed in Python Turtle. In the previous two parts, we have created the pedal and movement for the pedals. We have also created the ball and gave its movements. We have also considered hitting the ball with left and right pedals. In this video, we will give the score and misses. Score will be incremented if the ball is hit by either left or right pedal. Misses will be incremented if none of the pedal hits the ball. Before going to the code, please subscribe if you have not already subscribed our channel. We have displayed left and right pedal and provided up and down movement for these two pedals. Also, we have started displaying the ball and made it move along the screen. We have also considered the conditions to hit the ball by left and right pedal when it reaches the corresponding x and y coordinate. Now we will start to display score and missed values. The score will be incremented if either left or right pedal hits the ball, and missed value will be incremented if none of the pedal hits the ball and the ball goes beyond the left or right end of the screen. For that, first we will initialize two variables, score and missed, to 0. We will also create instance of the turtle and provide the control to the variable display. As usual, we are providing the display as 0 and I have chosen brown color to display the score and miss. We will position this display at top. So I have taken go to 0, 260. Let us use the right method to display score and missed. Initially, the score and missed will be 0 when we start playing the game. So directly I am giving a hard code, score as 0, missed as 0, and we will align at the center at top of the row. And I will choose the font as Courier with size as 24 and a normal display. So this display instance first makes the things ready for us to consider incrementing the variables score and missed when the ball is hit by the pedal or not hit by the pedal. As we can see, the ball, when it moves, score and missed are displayed, but their values are not incremented. For that, we will go to the conditions and start incrementing them. The value of missed shall be incremented if the ball is not hit by left or right pedal and the ball reaches the extreme right border or left border. This condition, when it is met, we shall increment the missed by value of 1 and update the score using display right method. As the score has to be dynamic, in the display right, I will use format and take the value of score and missed. At any time when we write it, we are going to update both score and missed with the current value. This updation I have written when the condition of the ball's x coordinate is less than minus 500, that is when the ball has reached the extreme left end. Similarly, when the ball reaches extreme right end, again it is a miss because it is not hit by the right pedal. So we will go to the condition if ball of x coordinate is greater than 500 pixel, we will increment the missed one, clear the screen and use the display right method to update score and missed. Now we have considered to update the missed values for the ball. We should also consider incrementing the score value for the ball. Score will be incremented when the ball is hit by either right pedal or left pedal. For that, I'll go to the if check, which checks if the ball's x and y coordinate are between the x and y coordinate of the pedal. If so, we will increment the score by score plus 1 and use the same display right method to update score as well as missed value. Now we will see our code. First we have set up the screen for 1000 by 600 pixel. Then we have created left pedal, right pedal, ball, and we are also creating turtle control for display. We have given movement up and down for both left and right pedal. We are listening to the key up, down 1 and 2 and call the corresponding functions. In the infinite while loop, first one is we are updating the screen status and then providing x and y coordinates for the ball with its corresponding delta x and y. We are checking the boundary conditions top and bottom to reverse the direction. We are also checking if the ball has reached the extreme left or right positions. We are also checking if the ball is hit by the pedal and update the corresponding score and missed on the screen. This is complete walkthrough of the Pong game using Turtle. Now we can see if the ball is hit by right pedal, the score is incremented by 1. Again it is hit by the left pedal, score is incremented to 2. Now I will not move the pedal and the ball has reached the extreme right position which incremented the missed to 1. Hope you could make your code working like this. Please subscribe if you have not already subscribed.